Before you can create any React applications, you have to download some very vital React JavaScript files. Here they are.
Hi everyone and welcome back. This series of videos is my personal experience of learning React. And I'm using what I call track 1. This is where I build React components in standalone HTML files. I can then run those HTML files directly from a browser. This gives me the opportunity to become skilled in building React applications without, at this stage, having to burden myself with the whole bundling process. Here's a very simple React application. It's about as simple as you can get. Let me just say, all of these React applications and all the files that I'm going to be talking about in this video are available to be downloaded, and if you look in the description box, it'll give you the link where you can download, unzip, and run all of the applications you're going to see me demonstrating. So, in order to get this application to run, in fact, let me just show you the code. Here it is. This is the entirety of that application. I have a very simple React class called CL_showText. But the piece of interest in this video is down at the bottom. You need to get hold of 3 vital JavaScript files. In fact, they're all included in the download, but if you want to get different versions, you'll need to know where to get them from. Or more exactly, where I got them from. 2 are to do with React, and the 3rd is to do with translation. The React ones provide the React infrastructure, and the Babel.js provides the conversion support on the fly when you're running it from the browser. Babel will kick in, intercept your React JSX and any ECMAScript 6 syntax you might be using it, and convert it to a version that the browser will understand. So you've got a couple of ways you can use these in your HTML files. You can find a CDN site, or as I like to do, download them to my local machine so I've got a good solid copy. And even if I'm at a mountaintop miles away off the net, I can still be productive. So let's begin with the React files. Here's the link where you can go to get those 2 React files. And you'll see here the 2 React files, React.js and React-DOM.js, both in the expanded and the minified version are listed here on the React website. So here's what I do. Just follow the numbers, follow the big arrows on the screen. Select the URL portion, then right-click, and up will come your context menu, and I select the Go To, and it will actually take you to, in fact more than that, it's going to open up the entire JavaScript file right in front of your eyes. Then anywhere in the JavaScript file, once again right-click and do Save As, Control-S. Now you've got a copy of React.js on your local machine. You can put it anywhere. There's no special place it has to be. Now you have to repeat the process for the React-DOM.js. Just wipe across the URL on the screen, right-click, go to, and then when you get there, save as, right-click, save as, and save it probably and smartly in the same folder where you put the previous JavaScript file. So far, so good, excellent. We've got our 2 React JavaScript files. Where do we get the Babel JavaScript, which we need to do the JSX conversion on the fly? Follow the numbers. You can pause this video, of course, as often as you want, and just follow the numbers. So number 1, go to the Babel.js.io website indicated by arrow number 1. In Docs, do the drop down and go to number 2, Setup. You'll now have arrived on the screen on the right hand side of this slide. Step 3, click the In Browser button. We've now arrived here. Number 4, click the Babel/Babel standalone. What that means is you're not going to do it you're not going to be doing the conversion at the bundle stage, because we're not doing the bundle stage. You're going to be doing it on the fly as you run the HTML file. When you get to the GitHub site, which is what we're looking at now, step 5 is just to scroll down till you get to the installation portion of the GitHub page, which looks like this. And number 6, I love this line. Manually grab Babel.js or the Babel min from the GitHub release pages. Brilliant, exactly what I want to do. So, number 6, click on the GitHub releases pages link. That takes you to here. Well, the rest is easy as pie, right? Select one of those items, right-click, save link as, and you download a copy of either Babel.js or BabelMin.js. So right now, you should have all 3 vital JavaScript files which you'll need to include in your HTML files. I picked the React.js and React-DOM, the expanded versions, the non-minified versions. Why? Because I like to have a poke around in those JS files to see what's actually happening sometimes. You don't have to, but I just like to have them available with the spaces, with the comments, so I can have a look at them. The Babel conversion, however, I really have no interest in looking at how it does all the conversion just now, so I'm happy if I've got the Babel.min.js. That makes it a lot smaller. Hey, just a reminder, folks, all of these files and the examples can be downloaded directly to your machine, unzip and run.